but where I live, they're predicting anywhere, I've heard anywhere from 16 inches to over 30, so my personal prediction is at least 20, but I mean, if we get over 2 feet, that would be pretty ridiculous, but I mean, I can only hope. But this is what it looks like as of pre-8 o'clock Friday morning. And here are the roads. Very, very slippery for sure. Actually rotated my tires because I hadn't done that in a little bit, and it was pretty bad to drive with my previous fronts. I just wanted to give you a little idea, you know, from then until now, later on. Right now I'm going about 22, 23 miles an hour. Might even be a little too fast, but this little Civic hatchback is surprisingly good in the snow. It's a lot here, and it is so windy out right now. I can't tell how much is out here. This is Main Street. Windy out right now. I'm practically in the middle of the road. Oh, I'm getting in. Holy crap. I love it. I love it. Near whiteout. It's pretty tough to drive. Nothing you can really do. Not gonna lie, for a snow lover, this is great. I love this. Sorry about the screen, nothing I can really do. I'm standing in the middle of 125 right now, which is normally a really busy intersection. windy as hell. Perfect for coming out here and taking pictures because no one cares. Probably go soon since, you know, it is a main road, but the drifts here are freaking insane. I love it. I'm gonna go and take some more pictures, but Massachusetts is right up there and they're in a travel ban. They're not even technically supposed to be on the road. Alright, car is coming. Get out of here. I can't tell if that guy down there is stuck or what. This is the parking lot where Hawaiian Isle is. It's like a lot of wind. I'm recording right now. Where's my piece of my microfiber that I brought? Meteorologist Travis Blinn reporting live, Plastow, New Hampshire, in the middle of 125. Traffic signals are going, but nobody's around. The snowpocalypse right here. The crew. Alright, getting out of here. Saturday morning. A little different than yesterday morning. This is what we have. I measured 29 inches earlier. And I'm shoveling it out right now. Shoveled this earlier though. My brother hasn't come and plowed, so good opportunity to record. What are you doing? Minecrafting?
Yeah. Lining a path to the road.
Holy crap. So it's pretty dense. Be driving around in a little bit. Ford power, ladies and gentlemen. Holy fucking shit! pretty much concludes the blizzard of 2013. People are out snowmobiling. People are out still clearing. I still got a little digging to do.